everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going wonderful. I'm so glad you're joining me. Well, I have a fun 5 easy step card to share with you today. We're making a Christmas card and we're using a exclusive stamp set. This stamp set is a collaboration between Simon Says Stamp and Gina Designs. It's called Shimmering Christmas. This set is available, but it's available only while supplies last. So when it's gone, it won't be restocked. If you guys are familiar with STAMPtember, it's kind of like a limited edition. That's what I want to say. So we're going to make a card in 5 easy steps using it. So I'm going to jump in and get started with step number 1. We're going to create our focal point. And that will be, there's some beautiful bulbs in here. And I just love how when you look at it, it looks dimensional. But we're going to be using the Christmas tree and the little sparkles here. I'm going to treat my paper with my anti-static powder tool, and then we are going to do some heat embossing. I thought about using silver, but I think I'm going to go with white. So I'm going to bring in my watermark ink. I'm using my Versamark, and I'm going to go over the Christmas tree and the sparkles, and then while I was at it, I'm going to throw in step number 3, because we're going to emboss and we're going to ink blend all at the same time. Step number 3 is my greeting. So I have Merry Christmas here. I'm gonna ink this up one more time. Wonderful. Okay, I'm bringing in some white embossing powder. Put this to the side here. I'm going to use my heat gun and we're going to melt it. We're going to do some quick and easy ink blending on here. So I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Stencil mat. We're just going to tack this down. And I thought we would use some non-traditional colors. I have 3 inks. I have Simon Says Stamp's Cadet, Seafoam, and Celery. I'm going to start with the green ink. Okay, and I'm going to do little sections of the tree. So we have little splotches of green. Next we're going to go in with Seafoam. And we're going to add a little bit of light teal. I may need to, no, it's a pretty color, yeah. I want to kind of overlap these. Now the Cadet is a darker blue. And I just want to add a little section highlighting some of this around the tree. Just a little bit. I don't want the Cadet to overpower the lighter colors, but I really think it's going to be pretty just to stand out. I think that looks really nice. And then we're going to add a little to the Merry Christmas. And we'll add it here. We have a green star, a teal star, and then I want a darker blue star here. Or sparkle. I guess they're sparkles. Now I have a towel. It's damp. What I'm going to do is just buff away the ink that I just layered over my white embossing. And this is just going to make this pop beautifully. Look how pretty that is. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's take this off, and then I'm going to take a coordinating I love that there's coordinating dies, so I'm going to take the Shimmering Christmas coordinating die set, and we're going to cut out all of our images here. Just layer them right on top. So these will be my focal image for today. We already did our greeting, but we're going to put these to the side and we're going to work on step number 2, which is creating our home panel. For my home panel, I'm going to bring in some pale blue cardstock, and this is a panel that measures 3 1/4 inches wide by 4.5 inches tall. What I'm going to do is heat emboss on here also. I'm going to treat this with my anti-static powder. And then I'm bringing in a stamp set from Simon Says Stamp. This is called Swiss Dots. This has a background stamp and then it has a whole bunch of greetings. We're not going to use the greetings, but I am going to use the dots here. I'm going to go over those Swiss dots with my Versamark ink, and then taking my pale blue cardstock, we're just going to layer it right over the top. I'm going to give it a press, and then I'll go over this with my white embossing powder. I'm going to use my heat gun and I'm going to melt this. And then I'm just going to, if you have a hillside border die, you could use that. But I'm just going to create a snowbank just using my scissors. This part doesn't have to be perfect because the only sides you're going to see is a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay, and then I'm going to add some adhesive behind here, and we're going to tack this down to our polka dot embossed panel. Now I'm also going to bring in a corner rounder, and I'm going to round the top right corner. I'm going to bring in my stamp and stencil mat next, and I'm just going to add a little bit of color using the Cadet ink. Maybe I can get away with the ink that's left over on my blending tool. I'm just going to add it a little bit to the section on top. As I'm looking at this, I think I'm going to trim it. I'm going to trim this down a little bit more. Right now we're at 3 1/4. I'm going to trim this down to 3 inches. And we'll trim it at 4 1/4. So it's 3 inches by 4 1/4. We're going to make this a little bit smaller. And so I'm going to bring back my corner rounder, and we'll just round that corner. I'm not going to do any more ink blending with it. I think that's going to work out perfect. Now before I call my home panel done, I'm going to bring in some cord. This is Simon Says Stamp's iridescent white cord. I'm going to wrap it around a couple times on the bottom of my snowbank, and then I'll tie a bow off to the left here, and that will be my home panel. I'm going to put this with my focal point, and then we're going to move along to step number 3, and that is creating our greeting. Kind of bypassing that one because our greeting is already done. I am going to flip this over, and we're going to pop it up with some foam tape. So I doubled up on this side, and then this side only has one foam tape. Let's go ahead and adhere our Christmas tree. Okay, just above my twine, I'm going to have it hanging off the edge just a little bit, and then I'm going to add my greeting over here on this side. So I have 2 on the tree and 1 over here. Lovely. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side, and now we're going to move along to step number 4 and create our background. For my background, I'm going to bring back my Swiss Dots stamp set, and then using the same inks that we used to ink blend on our tree, I'm going to add some ink to one side of the Swiss Dots here. I'm going to bring in some 3M Post-it note tape, and I'm going to mask off about a 1 1/4 inch section on the right side here, and then I'm going to add my card base to my background. Okay, and then we can lift it up, and so we have some very subtle Swiss dots on one side of our card base. I'm going to bring in my corner rounder here and round this top right corner. And then I did pop up my home panel with some foam tape. I'm going to go ahead and remove the release paper, and then this is going to go in the center of my card base. We're going to move along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. I'm going to embellish my card with some Simon Says Stamp Starbright Embellishment Mix. This has an iridescent tone to it. All of these sequins have a heavy cup on them, and they match the iridescent cord beautifully. So it's really going to add some nice sparkle. What I'm going to do is add little dots of glue all around my Christmas tree. And I'm going to add lots of these little sequins on my Christmas tree. And that will finish off my card project for today. Hope you get a chance to check out the collaboration and exclusive stamp set between Gina K Designs and Simon Says Stamp. It's called Shimmering Christmas. So pretty. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.